Just beyond the city space sits a workshop where time moves a little differently. Welcome to SF Duka, where ideas are shaped by hand, one careful step at a time. Meet Sam. You can usually tell a seasoned craftsman before they even say a word. It's in the way they move through the workshop, the confidence of their hands, the quiet certainty behind every decision. And today, Sam is taking us through the journey of building a chair from a simple idea to something set to last. Choosing the right timber isn't just about appearance. It's about strength, stability, and how the wood will perform years from now. Before any joinery can begin, the surface has to be perfectly even. Sanding removes imperfections and reveals a clean, consistent face that's ready for the next step. Watching Sam work the wood tells hours of repetition that have turned careful measuring into second nature. Each hole is drilled with purpose, following the layout down to the millimeter, because when the time comes to assemble the chair, precision here means everything fits without force. Sam reaches for the connectors, selecting the ones best suited for the job. A few careful strokes with a file remove any roughness, helping each piece slide into place with just the right amount of resistance. The connectors are then glued into place and cut to size. With the hard work complete, the details take over as Sam sands the surface one last time, leaving behind a finish that's smooth in the hand and easy on the eye. And now comes the reward. Separate components, each crafted with care, now come together as one. If watching this made you curious, you don't have to stop here. You can experience the craft for yourself at SF Duka along with many other unique experiences. Whether you're coming on your own, bringing a friend, or making it a group outing, there's always something new to discover. Visit visatile.com to book your next experience.